Alright, we making honey, garlic, lemon pepper, chicken thighs. Let's get into it. Alright, for our spices, we have lemon pepper, kosher salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, smoked paprika. Then we're going to mix our spices with olive oil, add onto our chicken thighs, make sure it's fully coated. Then we're going to let it marinate for a couple hours. When it's time to bake, we're going to bake on 30 minutes on one side, 20 minutes on the other. While that's baking, we're going to make our sauce. We're going to have butter, minced garlic, add in our honey, water, soy sauce, lemon juice, fresh slices of lemon. And once that's done simmering, we're going to add it onto our thighs. Make sure it's fully coated on our thighs. Then we're going to stick it back in the oven to caramelize for a few minutes. And then here you have it. Honey, garlic, lemon pepper, chicken thighs. Hope you all try this. Hope you all enjoy. All right, we're making white wine, garlic butter, shrimp linguine. Let's get to it. All right, we're going to start with our shrimp. We're going to add in kosher salt, black pepper, chili powder, and then we're going to mix everything together to make sure it's evenly coated. In a skillet on medium heat, we're going to add in our butter, melt it down, and then add in our fresh garlic. All right, we're going to mix in and cook our garlic for about a minute. Then we're going to add in our white wine. I'm using this Sauvignon Blanc for this recipe. We're going to let this simmer for about 3 minutes, and then it's time to add in our shrimp. All right, once we get all of our shrimp into the pan, we're going to squeeze in some fresh lemon juice. And then our shrimp are going to take about 3 to 5 minutes to cook on each side. When the shrimp are done, it's going to be time to make our sauce in a pot on medium heat. We're going to add in our olive oil. Then we're going to add in our butter, melt our butter down, and then add in our onion, followed by our garlic, and let that simmer for a few minutes. Then we're going to add in our kosher salt, then our black pepper, mix that up. Then we're going to add in our Italian seasoning, and then we're going to add in our wine. We're going to let our wine cook down for about a couple minutes. Once our wine is cooked down, then we're going to add in our heavy cream and let that simmer for a minute, and add in our fresh Italian parsley. And we're going to grate some fresh Parmesan Reggiano and add it into our sauce. We're going to let our sauce cook on low heat and simmer for a couple minutes. Once our sauce is thickened and cooled down a little bit, we're going to add in our noodles. Then we're going to add in our shrimp. And don't be skimpy on the shrimp. Add as much shrimp as you want to. Then we're going to stir everything together. And boom, white wine, garlic butter, shrimp linguine. And of course, we're going to drink some white wine on the side. You dig? Try it out.